So what is up guys, welcome back to another video of me unboxing a fresh pair of sneaker that I got my hands on. Well, this time is not a sneaker, but it's one of the very most commonly used kicks that of this generation, I would say, and it is none other than a fresh pair of Crocs. I'll just take my thumbnail. Yeah guys, today this time it's a pair of Crocs that I got my hands on, and as you can see in the package comes in like this. Usually Crocs will not have a box that other sneakers. They will just come in this plastic bag with a Crocs written on it. Well, coming to the price, it's MRP at around 5,995. Not sure, you can focus. So it's priced at around 5,995, but you will definitely get a discount if you purchase it from any online store. And this is how it is guys. I've never worn it. Like I have my older pair, as you can see, is out here, and trust me guys, it is around 4 years old pair of Crocs. As you can see from the sole, it's worn out, but definitely I would say it's very much durable than any other brand. I would say it's very close to the Bata slipper that we wear when we were young, and that thing lasted forever. So it's Crocs is quite a competitor to Bata slippers, I would say. So this is my older pair, and here's a fresh pair that I got my hands on this time. And just look at the color guys. The color is such a nice bright red, and it's a mixture, I would say. You have the black colored out here with the Crocs written on it, and you have the the famous Crocs logo out here, as you can see, and you have Crocs mentioned on the bottom. So this is size 9, I guess. So it's quite comfortable. I've worn it just like that, and and coming to the quality, here's the comparison guys. This is a 4.5 years old Crocs, and there's a fresh pair one, so probably this is gonna last forever as well. And here's a tag to get some. This comes with a hanger, I would say, because as I mentioned it earlier, they don't come in a box, so probably Crocs gave it a hanger so that you can hang in your wall and keep it as like a showpiece as well. So I'll just remove this, and I'll just show you guys, sorry for that, I'll show you guys the close-up look of these Crocs. As you can see, the texture. So you can comment down below guys, what is Crocs made of, the rubber that they use, why is it so much durable, and why is it so much long lasting. You can comment down below. And here's the what do you call, the famous design of Crocs. And here's the inside of the sole. It has this texture to it, it has this friction. And here's the sole. It's very tough and made of very good quality. The fit and finish, it feels very fine. And this is the other pair. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment, will you go for a sneakers or you'll go for the Crocs? Because I would say compared to the price, it's quite at the higher range. You definitely will get a good pair of sneakers in that price tag, but I guess it's because of the hype and because of the quality that this thing offer, it's quite the purchase, I would say. So yeah guys, this is the old one, and this is a new one, this is the old one, and here is, I guess I'll keep this as a thumbnail, like this. So yeah guys, that's it. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and short video on my new fresh kicks. Let me know in the comment what you let me know in the comment if you'd like to see more of such contents, and do like, share and subscribe. And I'm very near to 5k followers and subscribers on YouTube, so do make sure you like, share and subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. And I guess I'm sweating a lot. It's quite humid in Bangalore. So yeah guys, love you all. Bye bye. See you guys.